Valentine's Day is around the corner and I'm sharing my absolute favorite Hyderabadi dessert called Khubani Ka Meetha, and we are going to make it even more decadent by making a trifle out of it. We are going to have a spongy vanilla cake layer, and that we are going to top with Khubani Ka Meetha and cream and lots of nuts, and whoever you're going to make this for on Valentine's Day will love it. Let's make this together. I'm using 1 cup of dried apricots that I roughly chopped up. And guys, this is an instant recipe. So we are going to quickly put this into a pressure cooker and add enough water so that it just gets submerged. I added around 2 cups of water, and we are going to cook this on low to medium heat under pressure for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. It's going to become nice and soft like that. Wasn't that easy? No overnight soaking required or anything. We are going to just mash it up really well to get that lovely Khubani Ka Meetha consistency, and then we are going to add in the sugar. I'm going to start with half a cup of sugar. You can turn on the heat to low now, add approximately half a cup of water and mix that up till you get a little bit of a sticky consistency. The amount of sugar to be added would totally depend on your taste. Apricots are usually a little bit tart, so another half a cup of sugar would be perfect. Basically a 1-to-1 ratio of apricots to sugar. I know it's a lot of sugar, but this dessert is so worth it. Once in a while, all this is totally fine. A pinch of salt, a good mix, and Khubani Ka Meetha is ready. Some people like to add a little bit of cardamom powder. That is up to your taste. This beautiful dessert reminds me of those Hyderabadi weddings I used to attend. Oh my god, with some cream or vanilla ice cream and some nuts. This is such a treat. You can also use it as apricot jam on bread. But hey, we are making a trifle, so this is going to get even more delicious. So I'm greasing a microwave safe bowl because we are making the vanilla sponge cake in a microwave because that's the fastest way to do it, and if you do it right, it turns out absolutely soft and delicious. For this, take half a cup of yogurt in a big bowl, to which add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a good whisk till it turns nice and bubbly and frothy. That's going to make your cake airy. Can you see those little bubbles? If those bubbles have not formed, add a little bit of vinegar and that should work, or you have to change your baking soda. Next, we are going to add in a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar and approximately 2 tablespoons of any neutral cooking oil. Next, we are also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and we are going to whisk all that together. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to press the subscribe button if you like yummy recipes every week. Alright, time for the dry ingredients. We are going to sift in 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, and to that we are also going to add 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Sifting in the dry ingredients also makes your cake airy. All these little tips and you're going to get the perfect cake even when you make it in the microwave. Using the cut and fold method, combine the dry ingredients and give it a quick whisk till the batter looks nice and smooth. Do not overmix, if not your cake is going to turn out dense. Alright, pour the batter into your microwave safe dish, level out the batter, tap it a little bit to get rid of air bubbles, and that goes into the microwave for approximately 3.5 minutes till the center is cooked. I recommend stopping after 3 minutes and checking, and then accordingly adjust the timing. Don't overcook it, if not your cake will be dry and leathery. Something that I would do next time for sure is poke some holes on the cake and pour in some cream, guys. That's going to make it so moist and so decadent, so do that. Alright, now it's time to completely slather the vanilla sponge cake with the Khubani Ka Meetha that we made. Add a nice thick layer. You may also want to add a layer of custard if you wish. I did not want to dilute the taste of the Khubani Ka Meetha, but I think that would also taste really good. And for the whipped cream layer, I'm using 3/4 cup of chilled heavy whipping cream, to which I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's it. We are going to whip this up till we get nice stiff peaks. You can either use heavy whipping cream or you can use scoops of vanilla ice cream as well. Everything is going to just taste absolutely heavenly. And now I would recommend just pouring the entire whipped cream on the Khubani Ka Meetha. I put these little dots so that you can see it and it looks pretty, but actually you should add more cream to this, because that's going to make it taste so good. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So alright my friends, that's all for today. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me. For written recipes, you can always visit my blog. It's called noopursindiankitchen.com. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I post exciting recipes like this every week. Press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.